Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on, open control panel and turn on it if it's turned off. After that, it will reconnect to your phone automatically, it should. But for iOS device, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. Now, if it didn't help you, next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So at the bottom of the right headphone, we have power button. Press and hold this button until you will see the red LED light. We just turn off them, these headphones disconnected, so then we need to turn on them and press and hold again power button until you will see blue LED light. Here we go, and they should reconnect with your phone. Here we go, we have connection. If it also didn't help you, next step I recommended to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, firstly, we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold power button. After that, we need to enter pairing mode. To enter pairing mode, you need to press and hold power button until the LED lights start blinking blue and red. Here we go. And then you need to press and hold at the same time volume down, volume up and multifunctional buttons until you will see that the LED light turn off, and also you will hear a sound. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect your headphones with the phone. So we need to enter to the Bluetooth, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pairing device at the top. If you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you will see them in the device list and you need to tap on them. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we can also reset Bluetooth settings. But if we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So, first I will show you how to do this on iPhone, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then you need to go to the General Settings. Now, scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click at this line, and then click Reset. Right here we need to select Reset Network Settings, because we haven't Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings inside the network settings. So click on it, and then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open Settings, and we need to go to the System. So scroll down. Right here we have System, click at this line, and right here we need to also scroll down, and at the bottom we have Reset Options. Enter here, and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!